Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's a mini stars cucumbers, nice little snacker cucumbers, great cropper, does very well, and now is the time to plant it. Now the cucumbers are grafted like that there on the rootstock, which gives you a stronger plant, and in about 3 weeks after you get the plant, take the clip off. At that stage the graft will be really well secured. Plant them in a decent sized pot. We have a pot here that's roughly around 40 centimeters across and about the same deep, filled with well compost, which is perfect for the cucumber. We take him out of his pot now and just settle it in. You need a bamboo cane like we have here in the pot as well. So you need a bamboo cane just to support it up and down. So as it's growing up and down, we'll tie it up and down. It's not enough length in this as yet, but a little bit of nice soft spindle. Don't use anything too sharp for it. Right up and down. You keep the side shoots taken out, and let one cucumber form per joint of the leaf. But we'll show you that as time moves on. But now is the time to plant your snacker cucumbers, and the grafted ones are fantastic. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.